Welcome to this course where we will talk about artificial intelligence. Aligned to programs that are modeling programs to make very complex characters. We talk a lot about AI, how AI is entering in our homes. In our productions, we will see how AI could be useful to help us to draw very complex characters. This is making note, so it means that I will explain to you the phases of creation of this type of character, and you, if you are obviously interested, you will be watching how it was made. It is not a step-by-step modeling tutorial, because we have already done others, but I will obviously tell you all the tools that have been used, how AI was used, and many other things. So welcome to this new era.